Hey everybody, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to show something that Lochby have sent me to review, and just pulling that out there. I love this tag. Lochby have already sent me something before, but they asked if I wanted to try out their new mini field journal. And I love this because it literally is the mini version of their bigger journal, which I wish I could show you, but my husband, I've given it to him because it's more his style, but he loves his. It's literally the bigger version of this with the handle and the loop. So I also have to compare this to the mini pocket. Gosh, I'm a mess here. The mini pocket journal. So I'll be comparing the two so that you can see the differences. So this mini field journal, basically the difference is you've got this pen loop with the buckle here that is extendable, so you can make that as big as the opening you need it, and then tighten that. But I love how easy it is to open and close. Then you have this lovely handle. I love that. I think this is the cutest thing, this handle. And then inside you have one pocket here, a bigger pocket here, and then two card pockets here. You have two bookmarks, and then you have 4 elastics. So you have room to include 4 Lochby pocket size notebooks in here. And then in this, you also get the Lochby dot grid pocket page in here as well. And then there's also a pen loop. What I like about this pen loop is that it is stretchy. I think that's a really, really important thing, to have a pen loop that's stretchy, because then you can add in a really small pen like a Kaweco Sport, like that, or, you know, I really should remove this first, or a bigger pen. Let's see how it fits my Memento Zero Grande 2.0. That fits really, really well. So let's remove that. But yeah, I'm a big fan of the stretchy elastic pen loop here. So along with those pockets on the side, or on the inside, on the back, you also have a pocket here. So that's actually for anybody who likes multi-purpose tools. This one is actually really handy. I love the size of this. I love how compact this is. And it's really durable. It's made from water resistant waxed canvas, and with just the overall design of it, it really is meant to be just something that you can take out and not worry about whether it's going to wear. Yes, it's going to have the usual wear, but that's almost part of the beauty of it, is seeing it wear over time. So let's see here. In terms of the product dimensions, it is pocket size, but it is 4.3 inches this way, 6.9 inches by 1 inch, or the 11 centimeters by 17.5 centimeters by 2.5 centimeters. And then the notebook that's included is a 3.5 by 5.5, so a pocket size. And the overall weight of this is about 156 grams or 5.5 ounces. So not too heavy at all. Whereas, you know, comparing it to, let's compare it to the pocket journal. The pocket journal has the zips. It also has 2 pockets in the front, one which I would find very difficult to put anything in here other than maybe a really tiny piece of paper, or, you know, a smaller pencil. And then they both have the pocket in the back. The pocket journal does not have the strap along the binding here. And then the pocket journal has the zip closure, whereas the field journal has this loop closure. In terms of what I prefer more, I mean, I love brown. You guys know I love brown, but I also love this navy color. I love the contrasting stitching on the edging. And I don't know, I like them both, but for different reasons. So this one, the pocket journal, I actually took with me when I went traveling. I kept my passport in here, and it was really, really handy. Whereas this one, I think my only concern is that I would be afraid of any cards that I put in here falling out, but I'm sure that it's probably secure enough that you could keep that in there. What's in there? Is that like a what's in that? It feels like a piece of paper or one of those, like, yes, one of those beads, those silica gel beads. But the difference is this, that there's no elastics in the pocket journal. There's bookmarks and elastics here in the mini field journal. So this one is good for, you know, 1 notebook or 2 notebooks, but there's the possibility that these will, once open, flare or fall out because they're not attached by any elastic. Whereas here you can put up to 4 notebooks, and they're all pretty secure because of the elastics here. Now, I've done a pen test on a previous Lochby notebook before, but I just wanted to show. So with the pocket journal, I wrote there with a fountain pen, and there's actually hardly any shadowing or bleeding. Sorry for the stains here from a different page that I used. But yeah, there was no feathering, no, hardly any bleed through or shadow. So this is actually really good quality paper. And if you wanted to, you could certainly purchase refills of this or a 4-pack of the pocket journals from Lochby's website. A 4-pack of this is about, or is $36. And I believe that's the Canadian price because I'm on the Canadian website. Yeah, that's $36 Canadian. And if you're interested in the mini field journal, it is $72 Canadian from the Lochby website. All right, so I don't know, is this something that I myself would use on a day-to-day basis? I'm gonna remove this tag because it's driving me crazy. There we go. Is this something that I would use on a day-to-day basis? I don't know, I'd have to think about how I would use it because I don't currently have a pocket or a field size journal. I mean, I do have my passport size, which feels almost too chunky to go in here. Let me try it actually and see if it goes in here. I mean, yes, it does have the plastic cover on it, but okay. Oh my gosh, that actually looks really cute, but I mean, it's not a perfect fit. You can see that the passport size is almost just a bit too wide for it. However, I'm thinking that I do have an A6, one of those Hobonichi A6 weekly calendars that I could possibly put that in here. But for me on a day-to-day basis, this is not something that I would use on a day-to-day basis because 1, I work from home, and 2, I don't have a need necessarily for a pocket journal, but this would be great though when I go traveling, to have a place for a journal, to have a place to have my passport, to have my credit cards and everything. I think the only thing that I preferred about the field journal is that it was a zip, so that if I was carrying any cash, it is protected by the zipper. But then I do have both, so I could use both. Okay, so I've just gone and added in my Kaweco Sport in here, but then I've also added my Hobonichi Weekly. So this is the A6 size, and it fits perfectly in here. And then I've added the dot grid notebook as well. So I think what I'm actually going to do is keep this as the family journal, where it's going to stay in our kitchen. We're going to keep track of any upcoming appointments. So what this calendar is for is, yeah, upcoming appointments. I do need to update this. But yeah, upcoming appointments, and then the notepad in the back can be for any other important notes that we need to include in here. But yeah, I like that. And I like that we can keep this. Yeah, we can have the strap go around the pen. Oh yeah, I like that. This will definitely be better protected in the kitchen than the weekly calendar was without any type of cover on it. So yeah, I think we can definitely use this. And then, ooh, sorry. My clumsy fingers. But oh, that actually looks really sleek. I love that pen with that. I'm sure you could add, what other brown pens do I have that could go in here? Like my, oh, see, let's see how the TWSBI Eco fits in here. Oh yeah, even with the cap. Let's actually remove this because that's what I seem to have trouble with the most. Okay. Oh, that fits really well in there too. See, I love the elastic pen loop, but then I love that you can put this loop around the pen and all is secure in there. That looks great. All right. So that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have yourselves a great day.